We're going to learn how to play song number 47, The Mexican Jumping Beans on the Trumpet. In this song, we have a lot of eighth notes. Remember, an eighth note is a half a beat. When you connect two eighth notes together, a half plus a half is a whole, so one full beat. Remember, we do have to be even, so where you have 1, 2, 3, your eighth notes are 1 in, 2 in, 3 in. If you look at the very beginning of the song, the first part is C, 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 E, E, G, G, E, E, C, C, low, B. Let's just try that from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Then you have a rest, then you're going to go up to a high A, and you're going to play A, G. Let's try that. Ready? And rest. Rest, rest. The next part, we're starting on a low B. We have B, 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 D, D. Go to the next line. F, F, D, D, B, B, C. Let's try that. So first line, last measure. Here we go. Next line. Rest. Then we have a high A and a G. Rest, rest. Now, if you notice, we just played box 1. We learned in a previous lesson about alternate endings, or first and second endings. It means that you're going to play through the whole song, and then you're going to play box 1, which we just did. Now you have a repeat sign. That means that you go all the way back to the very beginning of the song. We play to the second line, but this time we're going to skip over box 1 and we're going to play box number 2. Box 1 means you play that the first time you play the song, and then you repeat, you skip over, and box 2 means you play that ending the second time you play the song. So now we're going to go back to the beginning. We're going to play from the end. This time when we get to this second line, we're going to skip over to box number 2. Here we go. C, 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 E, E, G, G, E, E, C, C, low, B. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Then you have a rest, high A, G. Here we go. Rest. Rest, rest. The next part, low B, 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 D, D. Next line, F, F, D, D, low B, B. Let's just try that. So starting at the first line, last measure. Ready? And next line. Now you're skipping over to the second ending. If you look at the second ending, you have something new called div, which stands for divisi, which is Italian for divide. So if you notice, there's notes on top and then there's connected to notes on the bottom. It means if there's more than one person playing, I'm going to have half the class play the top note and half the class play the bottom note. Because it's just you and me playing right now, we're just going to play the top notes. And if you look, the top notes are, so in the beginning of box number 2, you start with a C and then you have a rest. And then the top notes of those connected notes are F and E. If you look at the bottom notes, you have B and C. So for this lesson, I want you to play the top notes. So we're going to play in the box number 2, C, rest, F, E. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest, rest. Great. Let's play through the song one more time, and then we'll do it with a metronome. C, 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 E, E, G, G, E, E, C, C, B. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rest. A, G. Rest. Rest, rest. B, 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 D, D. Next line. F, F, D, D, B, B. Box 1, C. So starting with the first line, last measure. First line, last measure. Next line. Box number 1. Rest. High A, G. Rest. Rest, rest. Now we have our repeat sign, so we go back to the beginning. C, 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 E, E, G, G, E, E, C, C, low B. Ready? Play. Rest. High A, G. Rest. Rest, rest. Low B, 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 D, D. Next line. F, F, D, D, B, B. So first line, last measure. Ready? Play. Next line. Now this is the second time we played the song, so we're skipping over box 1. You go to box number 2. We have C, rest. F, E, here we go. Ready? Play. Rest. Rest, rest. Great. We're going to play along to a metronome marking of 70. Try your best to stay along with the beat, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest, rest. Rest. Back to the beginning. Rest. Rest, rest. Rest. Rest, rest. Great job. I can't wait to hear your recordings.